Hey, what if I told you you've been breaking out because you've not been properly washing your makeup off after rocking it during the day? If you want to maintain your glowy, beautiful, youthful skin, come with me. Let me show you how you can adequately get rid of your makeup and maintain a healthy glow. So, in a nutshell, there are three basic ways of maintaining your youthful glow. It's just by cleansing again, moisturizing, and hydrating your skin. Like, be big on hydration and moisturization. So, I am going in with this eye makeup remover from Simple, and I am going to go in gently into the eye. There is a reason this product was specifically meant for the eye area. You all can attest that the eye area is delicate, and it has a thinner layer than every other part of the skin. It's not as thick as the other layers of the skin. So it is actually always recommended that you go in with an eye makeup, focusing on removing all the eyeliner and all the dirt and debris around the eyes. After that, get rid of that one and get a second wipe. I am using this wonderful makeup wipes from Simple. This is the most hydrating wipes I've ever used in my life. I highly recommend it. I'm going in with this micellar cleanser from Nivea. I'm going to use it to clean the rest of my face, and after cleansing my face, I am going to go in with my cleanser, starting off with the oil cleanser, then I will switch to the foaming cleanser to make sure I get rid of all the dirt. This is what the wipes look like when I finish cleansing. Some people, they actually stop at cleansing the face and that's it for them. They just use the wipes. You can't do the lazy girls routine and maintain a healthy glow. It's just not possible. Forget about forget about the lazy girls routine. Yeah. You need to actually do what you have to do. If you know you don't have the energy to cleanse your skin, forget about wearing makeup, because I bet you if you don't properly cleanse off your makeup, especially if you have an acne prone skin, you're going to break out terribly by the next day. Sorry to let you know that, but yeah, that is what is going to happen. So when you're cleansing the face, be gentle. Just handle the skin with care. I'm going to massage this product into my skin until it disappears. That way my skin absorbs the product. That way the product is able to give me the results that I need, focusing under the eye area. I have washed off this product and I am going to go in with the second cleansing product. Lest I forget, all of you that uses baby wipes to clean your makeup, you need to stop doing that, girls. We don't use baby wipes to clean makeup. Baby wipes contains alcohol, and it contains perfume, and these two are major irritants and can irritate your face. So the earlier you stop doing that, the better for you. So I'm going to massage these, focusing under the eye, making sure that I take away all the eyeliners. When it's dry, I am going to go to the bathroom and have a proper shower. And then you will see that in my next slide, I was already in my 90s. That's because I just had to go and take a proper shower. I just love the way this product melts into the skin. Guys, can you see that? Can you see that? It melts into the skin effortlessly, seamlessly. And we're going to test to see if all of the products were properly removed. I'm going to use a white thin layer of tissue to check if all of the products got wiped off. Here we go. Ta-da! Clean. Nothing is on it. Nothing is on it. So this is to let you know that all the products are gone, and I am going to go big on moisturization. moisturize. The reason is because we have cleansed the skin with cleaning wipes, and we have washed the skin like we've double cleansed. So some people's skin, in doing this, you will strip your skin of is natural moisture, so it is best to go big on moisturization. I am going to use products that I know that will bring all the moisture back to my skin. So I'm going to wear the mask for some time. Use this peptide eye serum from lashes serum rather from The Ordinary. It helps to keep my lash in place and make it grow. Yeah, that's what it does. So I'm going in with my toner. This routine is washing off my makeup alongside my anhydrous salicylic acid routine. I actually choose to do it on days I wear makeup, just to make sure that if I don't wash off any trace of makeup at all, the salicylic acid will help to decongest the pore and then help me not to break out. If you've been with me on this channel, you will know that I am big. I talk so much about salicylic acid, and that is my little secret in maintaining a pimple-free face. Yeah. So this, I have just gone in with my hyaluronic acid, massaging it deep into the skin, and the snail mucin. I use the snail mucin with the eye patch on because the snail mucin is actually not meant to go under my eyes. So I'm using the eye patch to protect the under eye area while I apply the snail mucin. Then I'm going to go in with the hyaluronic acid after peeling off the eye patch and massage it right under my eyes, because those eyes are already tired and they need the moisture to be, replenished. That's what I'm literally doing here. At this point, I was already tired. I was like, oh my God, this routine, just get done. Let me just sleep. And that is to say that goes to say that, you see, this thing called skincare is not for the faint-hearted. You need to just be ready for it. You just have to be ready for it. This is me trying to open my anhydrous salicylic acid. It did not agree open. I had to use my teeth. I had to use my teeth to open it because I must apply this anhydrous salicylic acid. You know what? This is the most beautiful salicylic acid that I've ever applied on my face. It releases the salicylic, it's actually 2% salicylic acid, yeah, but it is released gradually into my skin, and it has squalene in it. Like, I use a lot of The Ordinary product because I've seen result myself. So yes, so I use this a lot. I use it about once or twice a week, and it helps to keep my face pimple free. And I am going to complete the rest of the skincare routine, focusing on hydration, moisturization, and that's it. So I remember what is one experience I had a couple of days ago. It's so common today in our world that we have some people who parade themselves in the name of beggars on the street, and they have actually made us not to know the people who are truly in need. I was walking on the street, then I met this man who said to me, "Oh, I'm in England. I don't have papers. I haven't eaten. I have diabetes. I'm looking for how to get to the hospital." Honestly, I was moved with pity. But as I was looking at this man, as someone who is in the healthcare sector, honestly, he didn't look like what he was explaining. And the moment I was trying to guide him on getting to the ways how he can, find his way to the hospital, which was just a stone throw from where he was completely uninterested. And, I did what I could do for him, and then I left. I thought to myself, how do I really tell if this person is in need or not in need? Our world today, they've made a lot of people who actually need help not access help, because we have some people who are abusing it. Yeah, funny, isn't it? Anyway, this is me checking my skin plumpness. Like the skin is bouncy, bouncy. Yeah, I was already feeling myself. I finished the routine and I would just let it absorb into my skin. Then I go to bed and wake up in the morning looking like a newborn baby. Honestly, there is no better feeling in the world. And yeah, this is still a process going on and we get better over time. Thank you for watching.